Good afternoon, everyone. This is JO Auto Tech Nigeria Limited. Today we are fixing a 2016 iX 300. The iX 300 came with a fault by which the steering was not working, ABS light was on, so many things were just malfunctioning in the steering light. So what we did, we discovered that the fuse here was faulty. So at this point of time, where we were in our location, we could not find the fuse to buy. So we did an electrical connection that will allow the owner use his car for some few days. Please do not do it though. It's because of the unavailability of the product that we don't have. So today we are doing a full installation of the fuse, removing this rubbish that we did, so that the car can be working perfectly well. This is the component we remove. This is a very big fuse in the car. Fuse like this are usually fuse 14 amperes. Fuse 40 amperes. What are the importance of fuse? We need to know what the importance of fuse are. The importance of fuse is to protect. So many of you that you will do this one, leave it in your car. Oh, it's working. It is not a permanent solution. No. Instead, it will give you a permanent problem. So if you do it like this now, leave it. Instead of this fuse to protect that component, what will it do? It will go and destroy the component, costing you almost 10 times the amount of buying this thing. So this thing is for protection. Now, what do the customer complain of? What causes this thing? It's simple. He said that he told them that, oh, please borrow me battery. Hola, now no problem. He gave them his battery. So I'm not saying it's bad not to give your battery out, but know the instruction depending on your car on how and how the battery should be removed and replaced. Sometimes it's even advisable to use jumper cable to connect your battery to the other person and make sure that your car is working. Oh. So at that point of time, when they wanted to install the battery, they mixed the positive to the negative, and it cost him this. So this one actually prevented the main components from going bad. And imagine that this thing was not there. What will get spoiled? The ABS model will get spoiled, the steering rack will get spoiled, and some other component, some other models, which will cost him a lot. So you see the importance of fuse. Yes. So please learn to follow instruction on battery removal and installation. Is a lesson learned. And whenever you do remedy like this, learn to return it back to the way it is to prevent future problems. This is J Auto Tech Nigeria Limited. Please like and subscribe to my channel.